Without using mathematical tables or calculators, find Roman numeral 1, sine of 120 degrees, Roman numeral 2, cos of 120 degrees, Roman numeral 3, tan of 120 degrees. Now we can make use of a unity circle. With the 4 quadrants. The first quadrant lies between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The second quadrant lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. The third quadrant lies between 180 degrees to 270 degrees. Then the fourth quadrant lies between 270 and 360 degrees. We know that in the first quadrant, all trig ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, only sine is positive and the rest are negative. Is that okay? Now, 120, it is in the second quadrant, and the balance is 60 what? Degrees. Is that okay? Since from 0 degrees we find 120 in the second quadrant, and the balance is what? A 60. Now they are telling us to find sine of 120 degrees. This is equal to sine of 60 degrees. But we know 60 is a special angle, and sine of 60 is equal to root 3 out of a 2. Therefore, sine of 120 degrees is equal to root 3 out of a 2. Roman numeral 2, cos of 120 degrees. This is equal to cos of 60 degrees. But in the second quadrant, we say that cos is negative, and the ratio of cos 60 is equal to a half. Therefore, cos of 120 degrees is equal to negative a half. Finally, tan of 120 degrees is equal to tan of 60 degrees. But don't forget that in the second quadrant, tan is negative. And tan of 60 degrees, this is equal to root 3 out of a 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.